kitchen tonight, I'm really excited because daughter Alana is here. Now, Alana will call me from time to time and say, hey, can I come over and make you guys dinner? And I'm like, duh. And so she's going to do that tonight. We're going to make this beautiful chicken, kind of Asian inspired.
Yeah.
And it's like a sheet pan dinner, right, with some Brussels sprouts, which I love. But you're going to make a great sauce.
Yeah, it's a super easy sheet pan meal with a sticky ginger sesame chicken and Brussels.
And this is going to be so good. So
Yeah.
we got to get started on this, and I'm going to let you take the helm and show us what to do. So,
Yeah, so
have at it.
yeah, I have cut some Brussels sprouts into quarters or shreds, whatever you prefer, honestly. And I'm just going to dump these on one half of the baking sheet, because on the other half, our chicken's going to go on there.
Nice.
This made a lot. We might need 2 sheets, to be honest.
Look it up.
Which is okay.
Look it up, too, sheet.
Yeah, so we're going to cover all this with veggies, which is not a bad problem to have. The more greens, the better. So, and then I'm going to take olive oil.
Make them nice and toasty and
Yes.
roasted. Roasted Brussels are good.
Salt,
Do you need pepper?
of course.
Okay.
The most simple ingredients make the veggies taste so good. And then you can always add garlic. I think garlic kind of is tasty on everything. After that, I mix it with my hands, kind of the best method to do this.
Girl, it's going to be good.
Yeah, and then sometimes after I drizzle olive oil, I like to see if we need a little bit more to make them extra crispy, but I think they look good.
All right, so now we start on the chicken.
Yeah, so I'm going to take a bowl, and I have some gluten-free flour. You can use really any kind of flour you like. I just like to use this.
This
Personal preference. Out of your way. And then I'm going to add a crack of pepper into the bowl. We're making a little dredge here for the chicken, so when it roasts in the oven, it'll come out super crispy.
That's great.
I love crispy chicken. And then we're going to crack an egg as well.
And then your chicken?
And then, yeah, we dump the chicken in here. But
That's great. Oh, we just dump it?
yeah, dump it in
All right.
there. And then I use my hands again for this.
That's all right. We can wash our hands.
What's
the best tools in the kitchen, really. Move the salt out of your way.
I always say if you're not making a mess, you're not cooking. My boyfriend doesn't agree with me, but
Depends on if you have to clean up the mess. or
yeah.
not.
And he's the one that's cleaning the mess, so. All right, you can get that coated fairly well. It doesn't have to have a thick coating, just light enough to get it battered.
Yeah. That's like an all-in-one batter, too. You just dump and
Yeah.
mix it. So it's
Super
great.
easy. And then just plop the chicken on the sheet, kind of give them a little bit of room. You don't have to space them out too far, but you don't want them crowded either.
That way they have airflow all around them. They're
Right.
gonna get nice and crispy.
And they cook evenly that way too.
Yeah. Gluten-free flour makes a really good crispy base for things.
Mhm.
Rice flour does the same.
Oh yeah.
And sometimes gluten-free flours will have rice flour in them, so that type of flour gives a super crispy texture to
Mhm.
things. I use it a lot for different things.
All right.
Okay, that, and then we're gonna roast them. I think these roast for close to 20 minutes, kind of flipping them after about 10 to 12. And then we're going to get started on our sauce that goes over everything. We have rice cooking on the back.
Yeah.
All right, ready? All right, now we're moving right along to the sauce. So
Yes.
Alana, we've got things laid out here,
Mhm.
and you're gonna mix it in here and then put it in the pan. Is that the deal?
That's the deal.
All right. So tell us what we've got here.
Yeah, we're gonna start with some soy sauce.
That's like 2/3 cup of soy
About
sauce.
2/3 cup, right? And then we have a 1/3 cup of pomegranate juice.
Very nice. I love pomegranate juice. I love that tart tangy.
Yes.
It's so good.
We're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of honey. So we're gonna scoop that in there. Maybe with the spoon, I don't know. That's arbitrary when we have, you can edit that out, right?
Exactly right.
All right. Got that going. And then I'm going to add, let's see, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
Nice.
That.
And you got some soy sauce.
This is,
Oh, you already did the soy.
yeah, sorry, this
This is
balsamic.
balsamic. Okay.
Yes.
It looks just like soy sauce.
2
All right.
tablespoons of that, and then another delicious factor is the peanut
Oh,
butter.
that's gonna make it so nice
Yes.
and creamy.
1 tablespoon of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, so it mixes
That way you don't
evenly.
have the chunky from.
Right. And then,
I'll start mixing this together while you're
Perfect.
adding everything else in here.
then just salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to grate some garlic and ginger. So I have this frozen ginger
Oh,
here.
nice. Yeah, when ginger is frozen, it actually grates much easier, and you can see it's just kind of like a snowfall going in there. It's so pretty. I love the flavor of ginger.
Yeah.
Alana just actually made us turmeric ginger tonic. Man, were they good.
And then I'm gonna grate some garlic. You can do about 2 to 3
Close
cloves.
already, man, how great is that? Great. Oh, fun.
No fun is in here.
I love cooking with you, honey.
This is fun. So I did 3 cloves of garlic here. I love garlic personally. Big garlic fan.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
great. Do
So-
we need chili flake or is that?
Yeah, you
okay?
can have the option to add red pepper flakes to it, give it a little heat.
I'm gonna add a little chili flake, so I've got a teaspoon, and it's a little lighter in the heat category. Kind of smoky and florally, so it doesn't give you a huge punch.
Right.
But it's beautiful, gorgeous flavor. And then we just cook it.
Yeah, so once it's all mixed, put it over a saucepan.
You can hear my cat is super hot.
Let it boil, bring it to a boil, then you'll let it simmer until it thickens up.
Nice. All right, so we've got this roasting back here.
Right.
We've got this bubbling away rice is just about done. And I think we're on our way to a delicious dinner.
I think so too.
I can't wait. It smells great already. Yes. All right. This is all out of the oven, man. It smells amazing.
Yes.
And we made a little rice, so I've got the rice plated up here. And so, Alana, what do we do from here? We have that sauce.
Yeah, now
That
that
is
the sauce,
spectacular.
now that it's thick enough, we're gonna pour it over our chicken. And it does make a lot of sauce, so if you wanna, save half for the Brussels and half for the chicken, you do you. So,
Wow.
and now we're gonna mix the chicken,
Get it all
make sure
sauce.
it gets it all.
Should I do the same with the Brussels?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just give it a little drizzle. And then you can always add more if you want to.
Yes. The chicken boy.
Uh-oh.
There goes a wing.
That's all right, we're saving that one. No chicken left behind
That's
here.
right.
Does it matter how I layer this, or should I layer the Brussels on first?
Be a free spirit. Do what you wanna do.
Do you? I'll do some chicken first, we'll do
All
that.
right, there you go.
Put it on the rice, and then some of the Brussels.
Mhm.
Oh, wow.
There we
Oh,
go.
that's gonna be so yummy.
Yes, and then I have some sesame seeds out here. We have
Okay.
white and black, just for color effect.
Very nice.
Mhm.
That's gonna look pretty. And then you got some scallions chopped up here too.
Mhm.
A little bit of scallion. Oh,
And
yeah.
There you have it.
Grab your weapon. Okay.
Cheers.
Chopsticks, cheers. Oh boy, this is looking so good.
Mmm.
Oh,
Mhm.
yeah, the flavors are awesome. I love that. It's like sweet, sticky, salty,
Like comfort food.
spicy. My mouth is full.
Mhm.
My tongue is happy. All right, check out colorkitchen.net. The recipe will be there.
Alright.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Thank you for making dinner.
Anytime. It's fun.
Next week.
Next week.
Got it.
Next week.
All right. Okay.